Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this time I'm doing a different kind of a video. Usually, I do travel videos, sometimes food related videos, but this is going to be a shopping haul. And when I say shopping haul, it's not any normal shopping haul, but it's the Thailand 7-Eleven shopping haul. So I could not go to Thailand, but my husband had gone on a trip with his friends to Thailand, and we had this list of items which we saw on many videos that you should buy from Thailand and you should really try because they're really good products. Some of them are not even available in India. So we made up a list and made sure that we bought everything that is possible from 7-Elevens. So it's a major haul. Let me first show you what it all looks like and then I'll go one by one. You would be seeing me in formals. That is because I actually have to go to office in a couple of hours. So I'm trying to shoot this early in the morning so that I don't have to get ready once again. So I think let's get started. Okay, so there are two major kinds of products that we've bought. One is our skincare range, and second is the hair care range. So, because I live in Bangalore, the water is very hard, so it has been really hard on my hair. It has caused a bit of dryness, roughness. So, there was a lot of effort put into identifying those products which can bring back the natural shine and smoothness of the hair. So, we bought a lot of hair care products. And the second range is obviously skincare because there are a lot of Thai and Korean brands that are available in 7-Eleven. So we got our hands at both of those. So this is a picture of all the products that we got from Thailand 7-Eleven. As you can see, this is 20 plus products which include products for both hair care and skincare. And I'll be explaining about each of these products and the benefits that they offer. Because that is a lot of products, what I've done is I've split this series into two parts. This is part one of the series where I'll be talking about all the skincare products. In part two, you will find me talking about hair and body related products. Now I'll move on to some of the products for the face. I'll start with this Olay Regenerist. So this is a moisturizer. This is a product that is also available in India. A lot of you might have already used. It's a high potent moisturizer. So if you're too young, don't use this product. If you are in your late 20s or 30s, then this is a recommended product for you. Because as a kid, I am someone who's tried Olay and it kind of burnt my skin. So I'll be a little cautious when using Olay products because they're highly potent. So again, use it only if you are in your late 20s or 30s. Again, another Olay product. So this is again from the Olay Regenerist range, but this is a retinol cream. So only if you have started using retinols, use this product. Honestly, this is not a product you should start as your retinol. So if you're starting your retinol journey, start with something that is 0.1% or very low, and once your skin gets used to that retinol, only then move on to these other products. So I have been using Requil retinol for some time. I started with a weekly once or twice routine and then has moved up. So my skin is now used to retinol. So I am good to use this Always retinol. Again, highly potent. Next, this is a very popular brand. It's a very popular Korean brand called Rojuk, as a lot of you might have heard about this. So this is a treatment mask. So there is a face mask inside this, a tissue face mask. So it will absorb all the nutrients and you can put it on for some time, maybe 30 minutes, and that will really help with your skin. So this has niacinamide, so that will help fade your dark spots and bring that glow. So I've been very high on niacinamide recently because I've been getting some acne and some dark spots when the acne fades. So I'm trying niacinamide to fade off those acne marks. So Rojuk is a must have when you're traveling to either Korea or Thailand. This is another product from Roju Care. So this is actually for people who have acne prone skin. So I don't have much acne, but I've taken this as a safety kind of a measure in case I get acne, and the expiry date is somewhere around 2 years. So anytime you have some acne, this is a treatment mask similar to the niacinamide treatment mask, so which you can put on for about 30 minutes, and that helps soothe your acne, and also has some BHA. So that is a exfoliating mechanism. So if you are someone who uses AHAs, BHAs, only then go for it. Otherwise, if you are new to it, don't try this. Try with something which is less potent, and only then move on to these kind of products. So that was, I think that's almost all the face care products. Now I've also bought this Pond's 3D Korean Glow. So this is a BB powder. So if you're someone who uses powders, talcum powders, this is a good substitute. This gives you a good glow, and because it's in the BB, it matches your skin tone and kind of gets absorbed. It doesn't leave a white cast or anything. So this will be a good loose powder after you've put in your base. So I've been using this Spins BB powder, which has been really good for me. It kind of gives a very flawless finish, brings down your redness, does not affect your pores. So this will be something similar to that Spins BB powder. So this is again a good recommended product. In the compact range, I've also bought Maybelline's Fit Me. So this is a product again available in India. So it's not a must buy when you are in Thailand. But I got it for a good discount, so I decided to go. Okay, so now we are done with all the hair related products, all the body related products, and primarily the face related products. Now, I also have products for eyes, nose, and lips. Yeah, I have covered every body and face part here. So, let's move on to the products that are related to the eye. First up, I have this eye mask. So, this is a deeply nourishing eye mask. So, it comes as a tissue infused with some vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So, you can put it on as a mask over your eyes and leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, and you just take it off. Now, this is very important because for people in their late 20s, or when you start around your 30s, you start seeing a lot of fine lines and wrinkles around your eye area. Your eyes start becoming really puffy, and there will be a lot of under eye darkness, right? So, to treat all of that, it's extremely important that we moisturize the area surrounding our eyes. And whenever we're using most of our products related to the face, we try to make sure we don't go near the eye area, so that area never gets nourished. So using an eye mask really helps the surrounding of your eyes. This particular face mask is a vitamin C magnet eye mask. This is enriched with hyaluronic acid, and it also has ceramides. So again, as you age, your skin's natural barrier starts getting damaged. So you need a better moisturizer. So always go with ceramide based moisturizers for your face. And even when you're looking for eye mask, it will be great if you can find an eye mask that has ceramides. There are very few in the market. That is exactly one reason why we bought this. The second product, so this is a under eye roller. So this is aloe vera based. This is from a brand called Baby Bright. So this is something that you can use on a daily basis. So before your sleep, after you've cleansed your face, just use the roller. It's very easy to use as well with this applicator kind of a top. Just roll it under your eyes and leave it on for the entire night. So this is again something you can use on a daily basis. Again from the brand Baby Bright is this aloe vera eye mask. So the other one that I showed is a daily use product. So this is more like a weekly use or one time use. So it will have two eye mask patches. So you just take it and apply under your eyes. Again, leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. It will really help you because it has aloe vera, so it's very soothing. So it reduces that puffiness below your eyes. That is the first benefit. Second, it also has collagen. So again, for your skin texture to improve, collagen is very important. So this used bi-weekly or once in a month is also really going to help. So that was about products related to the eyes. Now I'm moving on to the nose. Nose for me is a very stubborn area. So I get a lot of whiteheads, and every time I'm doing a cleanup or facial, it really hurts me to take off those blackheads, whiteheads, and it also causes a lot of pores. So after I've taken, I have to take extra care to make sure the uh, pores are not clogged. So I have to make sure I apply things correctly. I use the right kind of cleanser. So blackheads and whiteheads have been giving me a headache for a long time. So the first product here is exactly to address that. So this is a charcoal deep cleansing nose strip. So charcoal is a very good ingredient if you are trying to get rid of stubborn blackheads and whiteheads. So this is also a leave on patch. So there will be small patches here. You just leave it on your nose, keep it for 15-30 minutes, and you can take it off. So this can be used on a weekly basis or a bi-weekly basis, and that helps get rid of blackheads. Then what you can do is on a daily basis also keep using a good scrub so that they don't come back that frequently. The next product, again for the nose, is this serum called Clear Nose. So this is something that can help brighten your skin, especially the nose area. Maybe because of whiteheads and blackheads, some of us get some spots, and sometimes we see that the shade or the tone of the nose does not match with your face a lot of time. So it means that your nose also requires some kind of brightening serum, moisturizing serum. So this is a product that specifically targets your nose. So apply it on your nose, and that can help fade away some of these marks. So that was all the nose related products. There is actually one more product. So this is a product from Garnier. It's called Bright Complete Ampule Serum. So this is something you can use all over your face. It will help reduce dark spots. It has vitamin C, so it will fade all those marks. So they've mentioned on this package that it is very good for nose as well. So I've already brought enough products for face, so I'm targeting to use this serum mainly for my nose area. Now I'll move on to a few products for the lips. So this is from the brand called Kathy Doll. This is a very famous brand, and this is a gel tint. So some people prefer to go with lip balm, some people prefer to go with lipsticks. Now there is a very rare set of people, and I belong to that set, who want something in between. So I would love the nourishment of a lip balm, but it doesn't give me the enough glow. So I also want to have a lipstick or a lip gloss which gives me actual glow. So this is something exactly in between. So it acts like a lip balm and nourishes your lips. At the same time, it also has a very nice tint to it, which makes it look like you wore lipstick or lip gloss. So this is a great product for that sense. It's liquid in nature, and application is very easy. Now again, from the brand Kathy Doll. So this is for people who do not want a lip tint, who is looking for only lip nourishment. So maybe you're looking only for a lip balm. You don't want it to have a red tint or a pink tint, and have something plain. So for such people, there is this product from Kathy Doll, and it comes in a very cute packaging. It's like a doll. It's like a bear actually. It's called Shiny Bear. So this has hyaluronic acid, so it really helps moisturize your lips. So this is also very convenient if you're traveling. So that's end of part 1 of Thailand haul. Do stay tuned for part 2, where I'll talk about all hair and body related products. Those were all the products that we got from Thailand. I'll also be listing down all these products in the description box, so you can make a note, and next time you're going to Thailand you can get all these products. Also, let me know if you like this format where I'm sharing my shopping hauls, and if you would want me to do more such shopping haul videos. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Explorer for more travel content. Until then, bye.